Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 14th of March 2014 market review. Let's go and see what the American markets closed on Thursday evening. The first close was the Dow Jones, 231 points negative on 16,108 points. Let's go and look at that chart quickly. Blue line with this extended red line here, that support and a positive channel, was broken downwards. Currently, it's testing this bottom line here. It's broken through the green line, that's the 21-day moving average, and the 16,157 points. Next low of expectation, this will be on the red line of 89 days, will be approximately 15,892 points. First of all, it needs to break the 16,000 points to go to this 38.2% level on the Fibonacci retracements. So let's keep a close eye if this could start breaking physically down. Next expectation low could be 50% of 15679, and the last one where the big support will be a 61.8% on the Dow Jones. But remember, Ukraine has got the referendum on this weekend, and the markets will react to this in a very aggressive way, especially over the weekend and Monday. So keep a close eye on these trades for negative movements to happen here. Shares to look at is ArcelorMittal. Blue line is the share price. Red line A is a kind of a support level. As you can see, the share did break the support level downwards, and that was on line A on 40 Rand. There could be opportunity for this share to go further physically down, and if it goes further down, you can go to lows of 39.45, 38.50, 37.82 to almost a level of 35.50. If you want to trade this short, please take note of a stop loss level of 44.60. Will be just above this level here should the share want to break up again and the momentum change. Another share to look at is called Lonmin. Looking at Lonmin, the blue line is still the share price. There's the shoulder pattern, there's the shoulder pattern, there's the head pattern. Line A will be kind of a support level in the short term. There could be opportunity for this share to physically break further down, and the level it could break down is here close to the 52 Rand levels, as you can see here, 52 Rand levels. The target to go towards would be most probably here back to the 45 Rand levels. But first it needs to break 51.40, 50.80, 49.45 to go to a low of 45 in the short term if the share wants to continue to go further downwards. Your stop loss level will be approximately 54 Rand. If it could bounce back here, break this higher, bounce back from this 52, breaking the 54 Rand level higher, that will be your stop loss level in the short term. Let's go and look at the J200. The chart has been fixed, and yeah, you can basically see the following as well. Big blue channel happening. I've got a Fibonacci from 40,000 to about 43,300 levels. First support of 42,500 was broken. The green line was broken, that's the 21 days, confirming to me there's a bit of downside happening here to almost the 42,000 points. 42,000 points. The big support level on this one is currently 41,188. That's still a big fall coming down from 42,000 to 41,200. That's almost an 800 points fallback. But as you can see, every time it goes to the top, there's always a bit of a downside. We could expect a bit of downside today, so keep a close eye on this trade. Barclays Bank, BGA. Now that is the African bank. Absa Bank. As you can see, the share is still on the positive side here, close to the 138 Rand level. Could most probably expect a bit of downwards channeling happening here. If it breaks this 137 Rand, it could most probably go back to these lows of 133 Rand 90. Share is quite toppish on the indicators at this moment. As you can see, it's quite high there, but it's still in a positive cycle going upwards. Another share to look at is called MTN. MTN is currently struggling at this time to break this high here, and this high is approximately about 206 Rand. Testing this upward channel here. Due to today, we could see a bit of uncertainty, and you can see the last few days, you can see a bit of uncertainty in trading. Even if you pull up a candle on this specific trade, you could see it goes up to this level of 207, 208, then it bounced back. 204, 207, 208, and it bounced back. So a lot of uncertainty currently in that specific trade. Vodacom, as you can see, still in an upward channel. Currently went to 125 rand from this 116 rand levels. Still testing this 124 rand level. The current trading range, do you see this red line? That's the 89-day moving average. Still testing this level. So the current trading range is 128.84, 121.84, and the high is 124.87. That's the current trading range. Be careful if this is not going to be played out as a reversal, as a normal head and shoulder pattern. If it breaks this 121.84, it could go back to 116. ShopRite. ShopRite did go positive in this red channel here. It did go almost to the 147 level. It's beautiful. Still testing this green line here. Showing a bit of support here. Please take note of 144 rand is big support in the short term. With this level being broken of 144, there could be more downside in the share back to a plus minus 140 levels. Mr. Price. Mr. Price did okay, still in the sideways channel here in the top of 152, 153 rand. Please take note, 147.97 will be your big support, and you can be seen it's been tested by the 89-day moving average here as well. So keep a close eye on this specific trade in the short term. DSI, that's Discovery, still sideways pattern, doing nothing, trading between 17,749 and about 79.51. Last share to look at is Capitec. Now Capitec, it's beautiful played out. We need to see very soon if there could be a bit of a downward side here further on. Went through the 21 days to the high of 89 and 200 here. That's the color lines. Went down. Let's see if we can't pick this share up here at the cheap level of 181, 180, and most probably play it back to the 195 levels. Enjoy your Friday, and I will chat with you on Monday morning early.